Getting that third dose is protection against severe illness, but also protection against getting infected in the first place. Despite 2, 3, 4 doses of the vaccine, it's not so good at preventing infection in the first place.
Are any of the vaccines dangerous or going to kill you?
There's no evidence at all that any of the vaccines are dangerous or would kill you.
Princess Alexandra Hospital has been overwhelmed with dozens of ambulances forced to line up with patients while waiting for beds to become available.
A woman from New South Wales has died after taking the AstraZeneca vaccine.
An 18-year-old health worker has developed blood clots after getting her COVID vaccine.
An elderly woman has died in what's believed to be South Australia's first case of fatal blood clotting caused by the AstraZeneca COVID vaccine.
A Queensland man is in intensive care tonight suffering a blood clot after receiving his AstraZeneca vaccine. He's one of 5 similar cases around the country.
6 new cases of blood clots have been officially linked to the AstraZeneca vaccine.
3 more cases of blood clots have been linked to the AstraZeneca vaccine, including 1 case in an 80-year-old man.
53-year-old South Australian man is tonight gravely ill in intensive care after suffering a blood clot linked to the AstraZeneca vaccine.
In breaking news, a Central Coast woman has died after receiving a COVID vaccine.
The head of the Therapeutic Goods Administration is calling for calm following the deaths of 2 people in our state who received the COVID vaccine.
Concerns around the safety of the AstraZeneca vaccine have been realised here in Australia, with medical experts confirming the death of a Central Coast woman is likely linked to the jab.
A major medical investigation is underway tonight over whether a local man suffered blood clots as a result of getting the Pfizer vaccine.
Australians are being urged not to jump to conclusions over the death of a woman from blood clots after receiving the COVID vaccine. Tonight, 7 News can reveal another similar death is also being investigated.
Authorities in Norway are investigating the deaths of at least 33 elderly Norwegians who received Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine.
The nation's medical regulator has revealed 7 new cases of blood clots linked to the AstraZeneca vaccine.
A Launceston family is pleading for help after their teenage daughter fell ill after receiving the Pfizer vaccine. Faith Ranson has been in and out of hospital and suffers almost daily tics after experiencing what a leading doctor admits was an adverse reaction to the vaccine.
Getting that third dose is protection against severe illness, but also protection against getting infected in the first place. Despite 2, 3, 4 doses of the vaccine, it's not so good at preventing infection in the first place.
It's estimated 79,000 people have suffered adverse reactions to vaccines.